All right, so in this video, I am going to work through the coding side of things for our programming. At least get started a little bit. Hopefully this will be a quick kind of prerequisite video. So basically, there are two major branches of deciding how you're going to do your coding, and there's really kind of three different levels we could really be at within those branches. I would say the most basic level is block level programming. It's totally fine if you don't know any coding. It'll take care of. You can still do everything just as well as you could in Java or in some other actual text-based languages. It's just going to be a little bit more user-friendly. You don't have to worry as much about the syntax. It'll still be challenging. It'll still be some creative stuff that you can do. So don't feel like you're missing out by taking this choice. But that's kind of following this right path down here. This picture will be linked in the description for this video. So if you go down the blocks path, you'll just need to, for no matter what you do, we'll have to do this power control thing on and connect to Wi-Fi. I'll walk through a little bit of that in maybe the next video, but I just want to kind of maybe label this out here a little bit. For blocks, it's pretty straightforward. We're going to connect our control unit to, give power to the control unit, and then be able to connect to it through Wi-Fi. I would say the Java gets to be a little bit different. Inside Java, you have two different paths that you could take. The more advanced option is going through Android Studio. If you have a PC, it's really not too bad to do this because you just have to download one extra program, and then you can get the wireless, you can get Android Studio to work pretty, well, I mean, there's some gaps to get through, but you can like code in Android Studio and then upload to your control hub. A little bit challenging, there's a little bit more to that than the other two options. This is definitely the advanced option within Java. It's the most advanced of all the options. Doesn't mean it's necessarily better. There's some good and bad parts about it. And then finally, the kind of intermediate in-between version is you're comfortable in Java, but you don't want to deal with all the technical things of getting Android Studio set up and all the other issues that might kind of pop up in there. It's especially good for somebody who's using a MacBook, because MacBooks, there's just a few more hurdles to go through to get Android Studio up and working. So in the intermediate version, you're going to use OnBot Java, which basically means this is actually similar to the block version in that you are going to code directly on your control hub. You're going to be connected to your control hub, and you're going to be writing the code directly into there using your computer. And it's going to follow through a similar set of steps here to get the control hub powered on, connecting to Wi-Fi, and then doing some stuff in Chrome.